Welcome to English Learn with Zohan. Total question 15. Time 5 seconds each questions. Good luck. Subscribe now and never stop learning. Learn smart. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Question 1. They in the park when it started raining. Option B is the correct answer. Question 2. She has already eaten lunch. Option C is the correct answer. Question 3. We to London last summer. Option A is the correct answer. Question 4. The children quietly during the movie. Option D is the correct answer. Question 5. He very well in the exam. Option B is the correct answer. Question 6. Are my keys on the table? Option C is the correct answer. Question 7. The baby asleep quickly. Option A is the correct answer. Question 8. She very angry with me. Option D is the correct answer. Question 9. They the project last night. Option C is the correct answer. Question 10. The teacher the test carefully. Option B is the correct answer. Question 11. I him yesterday at the mall. Option D is the correct answer. Question 12. He in a big hotel. Option A is the correct answer. Question 13. You a great job. Option B is the correct answer. Question 14. I that movie before. Option C is the correct answer. Question 15. They a comedy show. Option D is the correct answer.